What the fuck voice line was that? It was like Gecko went, "Hello, man, pump us up, let's hear it," and then he went. Look, I'm mentally ill. I can't think.
That's not really my fault.
Okay, man, what the fuck? Was
Look, I'm mentally ill. Alright, sorry.
Look, I'm mentally ill. I was like, what?
Where the fuck did he go? No.
Oh
Oh my god, he sounds fucking. That was actually it.
Good job, you're very lucky.
Running for that second kill too.
Oh, the angry bird.
Oh, and he's fucking. Yeah.
Bro, it actually hit me.
That's crazy. Around.
But he don't get it.
Come on, man, let's flamethrower them. Why did he when he died?
Okay, that was accurate. Accurate fucking rendition of what happened there.
Why did he do that?
What the fuck?